Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some information for BoxyCharm for the choice items, add-ons, and all that. I got dates and everything for you. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button and the bell button. That way you're notified of every video I upload. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my BoxyCharm December Premium. Some more spoilers found. Congratulations, Susan Carter. Susan says I'm the first viewer. Why, yes, you are, love, and I really appreciate you having your bell on, honey. It just warms my heart knowing y'all come by to support me, and I thank you so much, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so I don't know if I'll be able to get this up tonight or not. I've seen these kind of late. Today is December the 9th, and the add-ons are available today for the Premium and the Boxy Luxe box, and also people on the wait list. You can go to your BoxyCharm right now and get your add-ons. Now tomorrow on December 10th, it is for everyone else. Now the time is still unknown, so as soon as they reveal that, I'll go ahead and post it I'll go ahead and post that up on my channel for y'all to see as soon as I find out the time. Now, for your choice and customization, going to be for January for the $25 base box is also December 10th, which is tomorrow. Now, there was a video where Joe says it's Monday, but that was updated. And as of right now, the time is still unknown. It will be Tuesday, tomorrow, December 10th, not today. And the choice items is the Ace Beauty. Now, you could either choose the Vintage Dawn palette or the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette, or you could choose the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. And so far, guys, that is it. And again, as soon as they start revealing times and stuff, I'll just go ahead and post it on my community page for y'all to see. It might not be a video, but it will be a post. So make sure your bell's on so you receive those. And of course, as soon as they start revealing anything else, of course, I'm going to update you guys. You know, I got to keep you in the loop. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Melissa Galantine, or is it Galantine? I probably said that wrong. Anyways, Melissa said it would be nice if you would pick me. I feel so invisible on your page, and I watch every video you drop. Much love anyways. Melissa, this just broke my heart when I seen this, because you know, sometimes if it's a day or two later, it's hard for me to go back and check those new comments. And honey, this just broke my heart, so I just had to pick your comment, honey. I don't want anybody thinking they're invisible. I try to get to everybody and as many comments as I can. And Melissa, I really appreciate your support, honey. Thank you so much, love. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. Guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so you damn sure don't want to miss those. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.